Dear students, cybersecurity is not just a career path, it's a calling in today's hyper-connected digital world. It's one of the most in-demand skills globally, and you will continue to grow in importance as the internet becomes more embedded in every aspect of life. By gaining hands-on experience and a deep understanding of cyber defense techniques, you open the door to a challenging and impactful journey. One where you protect applications, businesses, and society from ever evolving threats. Your skills can make the digital world a safer place for everyone. So, this course will give you a glimpse of the various topics that I will be covering here. So, just have a look.
Cybersecurity Curriculum Overview. Experience the world of cybersecurity with deep knowledge and hands-on some real work D scenarios. Join today to be a part of this exciting security curriculum. IT and networking basics. With this chapter you will learn, what is information technology? Overview of computer hardware, software, and networks, basic networking concepts, LAN, WAN, IP, DNS, TCP, IP, Introduction to the Internet and Web Technologies. You will learn chapters focusing on Introduction to Cybersecurity. This will cover important topics like what is cybersecurity, threats, vulnerabilities, and risks, goals of cybersecurity, CIA triad, confidentiality, integrity, availability, types of cyber attacks, phishing, malware, DOS, etc. Moving further into the course, you will learn about various security roles across industries. Few examples on roles in IT are SOC analyst, penetration tester, security engineer. Banking sector, risk analyst, compliance officer. Telecom sector, infrastructure security, SIM cloning. Defense, healthcare, government, e-commerce security profiles. Next you will learn about IAM/IE identity and access management, its importance, various ways to implement it and knowledge on roles across industries. Few examples on authentication versus authorization. Password policies, MFA, role-based access control, RBAC, zero trust. So why to wait? Go ahead and book your class today to be a part of our cybersecurity students group. We have hands-on labs designed for you. We will provide servers and our applications access to you to try and error with the leanreing on breaking and then making applications safe. You will learn about various tools and tricks in upcoming chapters. So why to wait? Go ahead and book your class today to be a part of our cybersecurity students group. Enroll today for the course and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. More details on my website httpd://cloudshiksha365.com. Dhanyavad, thank you, Bedanket.